which play a critical role in the distribution of nutrients and plankton in the marine environment. This technology is also being used to monitor changes in sea ice extent, sea surface temperature, and ocean color, providing important information on the impacts of climate change on the marine environment. Autonomous vehicles such as underwater drones and gliders are also providing new opportunities for studying the marine environment. These vehicles can be deployed for long periods of time and cover large areas of the ocean, providing data on a wide range of environmental parameters including temperature, salinity, and dissolved oxygen. Autonomous vehicles are also being used to study the behavior and ecology of marine organisms, including the movements of whales, sharks, and other large predators. Another area of growing interest in the study of the interaction between organisms and the marine environment is the use of molecular techniques. Molecular techniques involve the study of the genetic material of organisms, including DNA and RNA, and are providing new insights into the diversity, evolution, and ecology of marine organisms. One example of a molecular technique is the use of environmental DNA, EDNA, analysis. EDNA analysis involves the collection and analysis of DNA that is shed by organisms into the environment, such as skin cells, feces, or mucus. This technology is revolutionizing the study of biodiversity in the marine environment, as it allows researchers to detect the presence of species without actually capturing or observing them. EDNA analysis is being used to study a wide range of marine organisms, including fish, whales, and even microbes. Another example of a molecular technique is the use of transcriptomics, which involves the study of the RNA molecules that are produced by organisms. Transcriptomics can provide important insights into the genes and pathways that are active in different organisms and under different environmental conditions, helping researchers to better understand the complex interactions between organisms and their environment. Finally, the use of genomics is also providing new insights into the biology and evolution of marine organisms. Genomics involves the study of the entire genetic material of organisms, including the analysis of whole genomes. This technology is providing new insights into the genetic basis of complex traits such as disease resistance, adaptation to environmental stress, and the evolution of new species. Another area of interest in the study of the interaction between organisms and the marine environment is the impact of climate change. Climate change is one of the biggest threats to the marine environment, and is causing significant changes in the physical, chemical, and biological processes that shape marine ecosystems. One of the most visible impacts of climate change on the marine environment is the melting of polar ice caps, which is causing sea levels to rise and leading to changes in ocean currents and temperatures. These changes are having significant impacts on marine ecosystems, including the distribution of plankton, the migration of fish, and the growth of coral reefs. Climate change is also leading to changes in the chemistry of the oceans, with rising levels of carbon dioxide causing ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is having significant impacts on the growth and survival of many marine organisms, including shellfish, corals, and plankton. This, in turn, is having significant impacts on the entire marine food web, as many organisms rely on these species for food and habitat. Finally, climate change is also having significant impacts on the behavior and ecology of many marine organisms, including changes in migration patterns, breeding cycles, and feeding behavior. These changes are having cascading effects on the entire marine ecosystem, including the distribution and abundance of predators and prey.